Let me help you out here. I had to change a component on my Samsung refrigerator. This is the component, and the purpose it serves is right here. This right here. I've already replaced it. And what it does is when you open the door and close it, it opens up to keep this side of the door closed. Okay? So I was gonna ask someone to change this for me, a appliance company. I was gonna have them change this for me, but they said it was gonna be $93 to come up and change it, and they were gonna charge me, I forget how much, almost a couple hundred for the part, which is this, which only cost me $179, but they were gonna charge me $250 something odd dollars for it. I'm not sure what they were charging, but let me show you how you replace this. It's really easy, and I'll show you. The first thing you have to do is take these two screws out right here. Take these two screws out. Once you take those two screws out, you go to the bottom, pop it up, and these just slide right off. Oops, sorry. If you look, see, these just slide right off. Just slide right off. Okay, there's a wire that's attached here. You open, you push down a little tab and this comes out. The whole thing just drops out. Then you do the opposite. You reattach the wire, put this on top, pop it down, line this up, put your two screws back in, and you're done. And that's all it took. So it took me 5 minutes to do this. Less than 5 minutes to do this. And I saved myself close to $150. Because they were charging me almost double for just the component. And I figured out what the component was and called direct Samsung location. Got the part shipped to me. And like I said, it took me less than 5 minutes to put it on. And what happened on our old one, this somehow popped off. So when we close the door now, both doors stay shut. What happened before we changed it, this wasn't here. So when it's closed, this stayed where it's at. It didn't come out to hold this door shut. And that's it. That's all there is to changing that piece. You're welcome.